How to see who likes you on Tinder. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can see who likes you on Tinder. So to do that, first of all, open the Tinder app on your mobile device and then make sure you are logged into your account. Now once you've logged in, your homepage will look somewhat like this, where you'll have to tap on the diamond option on the bottom side of the screen. After that, you will be taken to this page where you will be able to see the number of likes you've gotten on the top left and also the list of people who have liked you on your Tinder. So currently I only have one like, meaning this person has liked me on Tinder. But since I am not upgraded to Tinder Premium or Tinder Plus, I won't be able to see this person or the people who have liked me. I can only see their blurred photo and nothing else, not even their name. So in order to see who likes you on Tinder, you'll have to first of all upgrade to Tinder Gold or Tinder Premium, whatever. So only after you upgrade your Tinder plan, you will be able to see the name and the photo of the people who have liked you on Tinder. So hope this video cleared your confusion. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys. And if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.